PyGame, getting the size of a loaded image. Hello, even though you might think there was a similar question, mine is pretty different than this. I am trying to load an image from a directory, and set my screen size, automatically, to the size of the image being loaded as background. The image that I loaded with my load class is set to the variable bg, and I want to use the size of whatever I load as bg to determine the size of the window. If you try to move on top of this, PyGame returns an error, in which it states that the display mode is not set. If I do it like this, of course, this is not true, since variables width and height are not defined for the use of pygame.display.set_mode. I cannot seem to figure this out, either of solving through a new manner, but I just cannot seem to figure it out. Any help? Thanks, smile.
Before you use convert on any surface, screen has to be initialized with set_mode. You can load image and get its size before set_mode, but convert has to be used after you initialize the display, like so.
The code I use is this.
If you love to, the answer to sleeping.